So let me just start by saying that there's this sound in the background. It's like it sounds to anyone that watches this video, it might sound like some sort of animal. I'm just gonna say that when I first moved to this country, I've never heard this. It started off about 2 days ago, and it's rhythmic. It never stops. It's like from the moment I notice it early in the morning, it goes for literally the entire day and night, right before I sleep. It doesn't stop. Sometimes it might delay for a few seconds, but it comes back right back. There it goes. And it's annoying as heck. I'm sure this is not by any means an animal or something innocent. I know this has some deeper meaning behind it, something related to spiritual attacks or gang stalking or some other crap. I have no doubt about it. I tried recording it in another video. At the times where these squeaks are supposed to happen, it recorded static. I don't know if this video will capture it, but I'll try my best. I'll see if it works. If it works, I'll post it. Just leave it on for a few moments. Just there it goes. Reminds me of the chants that were playing kind of faintly in the background in Taiwan. This is something else. It's the same concept. Like the moment I open the door and try to listen to the voice, the sounds outside, it almost vanishes. I can only hear it from inside. And the camera picks it up, that's for sure. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video.